Hey guys, I've been waiting a while and I finally got a package of Gfuel I ordered a while ago. Like 2 weeks ago. You probably don't know, but I got a sample thing of Gfuel. Sponsor me. Like a while ago, and I got 7 flavors and it was really good. So then I bought, during the buy one get one free, 2 flavors, sour cherry and tropical rain. Now, I really hope they're as good as I remember. I haven't tried tropical rain, but I've tried sour cherry. So let's open this. I waited like 2 weeks for shipping on this thing that was apparently supposed to be like 5-day shipping, according to the thing, but anyways, here they are. The tubs are kind of smaller than I expected, but I'm thinking of trying tropical rain first because I already tried sour cherry and it was my favorite of the starter kit. Hold on a sec. Back there. Here we go. I have the 2 flavors that I got. Order slip. And another sticker, the exact same one that I had. Okay. So, here this is tropical rain. Nice tub design. And all that. Very epic. And then there's sour cherry. Looks like cartoony compared to the other one. Okay, I'll come back when I have this made. Hey, me in a different shirt, I need to put on the other one. But anyways, here's the shaker. And here's the tub. Ain't it beautiful? That smells pretty good. Now I need to fish around for the scooper. I was like, I'll be back when I find the scooper. Okay, I finally found the scooper, and let's get a scoop. A bit more. And there we go, full scoop. And now I need to put the icing on, and I'll be back when it's shook. Okay, we have a fully shaped up tropical rain. And a lot of powder I'm going to need to clean up. There we go. Smells like papaya, kind of. Okay, let's taste this. It's actually pretty good. It's just like a fruit punch type thing. What do I taste? Classic game with this. What do you taste in tropical rain? In tropical rain, I kind of taste kiwi and papaya and like some pineapple. I'm not sure, but it's actually pretty good. Now, compared to the ones I've had, this one is probably in like the top 4. So I'll be giving this a 7 out of 10. Better than what other people say. Gfuel, sponsor me, please.